What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm breaking down my 5 favorite volumizing shampoos. So if you are struggling trying to get a lot of volume in your style and you just can't get the same kind of blowout that we do in the salon at home, there's probably a couple of reasons for that. But one of the main reasons is you're not shampooing properly. So it doesn't matter what shampoo you use. If you're not doing it properly, it's never going to work. So you're going to want to do 2 shampoos. You're going to want to first emulsify the shampoo really well in your hand, and then you want to break up any kind of dirt, oil, or whatever else is built up in your hair, especially product. The second shampoo is going to actually get your hair super clean. Going to get your hair prepped and ready to go for your styling products. Now, the shampoos I have in front of me they're my particular favorites, but like I said, if you're not shampooing your hair properly, any shampoo you use is not going to work. So let's start at the end of the lineup here. It is going to be Firmisi Color Lover Volume Boost. So the reason why I like the shampoo is it's super gentle. It has quinoa in it, so it's going to actually help protect your color. And if you're the type of person that shampoos often, like you go to the gym, you're always working out, and you feel the need to wash your hair a little more often, and it is color treated, Firmisi made a great shampoo. It will give you volume. It gives you that lift that you need, and it comes in a 16.9 ounce bottle. It's priced at $28, so it's not super expensive compared to how much you're getting in the bottle. Next on my list, it's going to be AG Stick Wash. So smaller bottle, it's 10 ounces. It's priced at $22, so it's on the lower end of the expense, but it does make your hair actually feel thicker. So if you're the type of person that you don't just want thick hair like to look big and blown out, but you actually want it to feel thicker, they have silk proteins in here, and they use ginger and ginseng. So it's actually going to thicken up that hair fiber. So when you're running your fingers through your hair, you pull it back in a ponytail, it just feels a little more plump and thick. So it's a great shampoo, like I said, for anyone who wants to have that feeling of thicker hair. Now, next on my lineup is probably one of my new favorite shampoos. It's not an old line by any means, but if you're a tree hugger and you're really into ingredients and you're super granola and you really care about what you put in your hair, in your mouth, and on your body, and you just want to eliminate any of the crap, I'm going to guide you towards Onesta. So the thickening shampoo from Onesta doesn't have any of your DEAs, your TEAs, your parabens, your sulfates. I believe the package is like recycled plastic. They're just an awesome, clean company. And none of these shampoos actually have a lot of any bad ingredients in them, but this is probably one of the cleaner lines out there, and they're very conscious of what they put into their products. So not just this, but all their products, their serums, their mousses, everything they make is very, very clean and doesn't have any of the crap in it. So if you're really big on ingredients and lack of bad ingredients, I would direct you right to Onesta if you're looking for that volumizing, thickening shampoo. Now, the next shampoo on my list is a great shampoo for anyone who has frizzy hair. So if you're looking for shine and kind of eliminating some frizz, Moroccan oil is an OG in the game. They obviously use argan oil. They're the first ones to the party with the whole argan oil trend. Their smell is fantastic. It comes in a smaller bottle, so it's an 8.5 ounce bottle, but it does give you that extra volume. But it also gives you a lot of frizz control and a lot of shine. So it's priced at $26. And it's not priced that bad at all for Moroccan oil products. They tend to lean a little more expensive, but they actually really, really, really work well if you're looking for that volumizing shampoo that helps eliminate frizz but also adds shine. It's a very complex situation, but if you're traveling somewhere like the Caribbean or you're going somewhere with a really hot, humid climate and you're worried about that frizz, this is a great shampoo to bring with you. It's not a huge bottle. You fit it right in your bag, and you got nothing to worry about when you get to that hot, humid climate with frizz and volume. So you're kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone with the Moroccan oil. Now, next on my list is the line's been around for a while, but not a lot of people have heard of it because you're not going to find it at like your Target or your Marshalls or on the shelf of like your food store. It's Suds Effects. So another really clean, leaning more towards the organic side line. They've been using organic ingredients since they came out. That was like their MO, but no one really knew about the line, and they didn't know how clean it really was until I'm telling you right now, probably. But it's called Whipped. Used to be called Whipped Cream and Honey, but they did a package change. So this is the old Whipped Cream and Honey, just called Whipped now. And the thing about this product is that it lathers really nicely. You do have to emulsify it, but it's great for anyone who styles their hair, and you have color treated hair, and you style your hair with a lot of hot tools, a lot of curling irons, you have a balayage, or you have a toner to cancel out any brass, this shampoo will protect your hair with the Color Fix technology from the hot tools. All right, it's not a standalone heat protectant, but it does protect your hair from using hot tools. Because what happens is when you curl your hair or you use a flat iron, you're breaking down that color molecule in your hair by using the heat. But when you use this shampoo, you're getting that color molecule protection with the Color Fix technology, but you're also getting that lift and that volume that you need by having a nice, good volumizing shampoo. So this is priced at $26. It comes in a 10-ounce bottle or a 10.1-ounce bottle. And you really can't go wrong with any of these shampoos. You can mix and match them. You could try this one this month, that one next month, and I'm sure you're gonna be happy with any one of them. I just gave you a little background on why I would recommend one to a client, or why I would recommend another one to a client. So any question or comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment box below. I hope this video brought you some value, and if it did, click the thumbs up button or a little icon and make sure you click subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.